In this video, we'll look at mains electricity and safety, part of your IGCSE Physics course. By the end, you'll be able to do three things. First, tell AC and DC apart. Second, describe the wiring of a 3-pin plug. And third, explain how fuses and earthing keep us safe. There are two kinds of current. Direct current, DC, always flows the same way around a circuit. That's what a cell or battery gives you. Alternating current, AC, keeps reversing direction many times a second. The electricity from the mains is alternating current at around 230 volts in the UK. A 3-pin plug has 3 wires, each with a job and a colour. The live wire, brown, carries the alternating voltage in from the mains. The neutral wire, blue, completes the circuit, back to the supply. And the earth wire, green and yellow stripes, is a safety wire connected to the metal case of the appliance. Notice the fuse. It sits on the live wire, and it's the first line of defence. So how do these keep us safe? The fuse contains a thin wire that melts if too much current flows through it. When it melts, it breaks the circuit, cutting off the current before the wiring can overheat and cause a fire. Earthing protects you too. If a fault lets the live wire touch a metal case, a huge current flows straight to earth, which blows the fuse instead of giving you a shock. And some appliances have plastic cases and double insulation, so there's no metal to become live, which is why they don't need an earth wire at all. Let's check what you've learned. Question 1. What type of current does the mains supply? Question 2. What colour is the live wire? Question 3. What does a fuse do if the current gets too high? Pause the video and have a go. 3, 2, 1. Here are the answers. 1. Alternating current, AC. 2. Brown. 3. Its wire melts, breaking the circuit. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more IGCSE science revision. My revision workbook is available from the link in the comments.